Welcome back to Mr. Diego Tutoring here on Instagram and Crushing Chemistry on YouTube. Today we're going to be solving part 2 of my 3-part series video about a paper 2 question. So if you missed part 1, which is letter A, go back and check out part 1. Today we're going to solve part 2, which corresponds to the letter B of this question. Let's begin, shall we? Lithium reacts with water to form an alkaline solution. A 0.200 gram piece of lithium was placed in 500 milliliters of water. Calculate the molar concentration is in moles per liter of the resulting solution of lithium hydroxide. So let's go ahead and be confident and put that unit over here in moles of lithium hydroxide per liter. Math with the units. We start with grams of lithium. So put 0.2 grams of lithium. 2 pieces of information over here. First, the molar mass of lithium, and we need the balanced equation that we solved in part 1 of this series. Ask yourself, do I want this? If not, put it on the denominator and transform it into something else. So when you start with grams, and if you have the molar mass, you can convert it to moles. Put grams of lithium in the denominator and then put moles of lithium in the numerator. This is the inverse of the molar mass. 1 mole of lithium over 6.94 grams of lithium. So we can cross out grams of lithium with grams of lithium. Now I'm left with moles of lithium. Do I want moles of lithium? I do not. Therefore, put another fraction, put moles of lithium on the bottom because you don't want that. And then you can do a mole to mole conversion because you have the balanced coefficients. Put moles of lithium hydroxide. And that's the magic of balanced coefficients. We could just repeat the coefficients here, cancel out the moles of lithium, and now we're going to be left with moles of lithium hydroxide. What's the coefficient of lithium hydroxide? 2. That's why we need to balance our equations correctly. What's the coefficient of lithium? 2. In this case, they coincide, but that's not always the case. So you have to do this step every single time, okay? If we stop here, we're going to be left with moles of lithium. So we have 2 choices. We can either stop here and then add the liters, or we can add 1 over half a liter. Now you're going to be left with moles of lithium hydroxide in the numerator and liters in the denominator. 0.2 times 1 times 2 divided by 6.94. So 0.0288 times 2 is equal to 0.0. Don't miss that second 0. 0.576 moles per liter of lithium hydroxide. Stay tuned for part 3, where we're going to solve letter C of this question. This has been Mr. Diego Tutoring. Leave a like and DM me on Instagram for private tutoring.